India supplies 20% of the world's generic drugs. By 2030, this industry is on track to hit a valuation of $130 billion. Yet despite that massive economic growth, up to 75% of pharmacy graduates are considered unemployable by industry standards in 2026. Most students fall into a perception trap. They assume their degree leads to only two options: dispensing prescriptions at a local chemist for 12,000 rupees a month, or knocking on doors as a medical representative. This diagram shows the root cause of the problem. It maps the standard college curriculum against actual industry demand. Colleges teach basic dispensing and chemistry, while the industry needs AI drug discovery, pharmacovigilance, and global regulatory affairs. The gap between what you were taught and what the market needs means thousands of high-paying roles go unfilled every year. This is an opportunity hiding in plain sight. Right now, every pharmacy graduate is standing at a crossroads. Your degree identifies your field, but your decision framework determines your career trajectory. The default route is accepting the average. This means taking the easiest path, following the crowd, and settling for a starting salary of 15 to 20,000 rupees, while watching friends in other fields earn significantly more. The alternative is fighting for excellence. You can aim for elite professional status, secure government roles, and command starting salaries of 50 to 80,000 rupees as your career arcs sharply upward. If you feel confused about your next steps, it is not because you lack talent. It is because no one has taught you how to choose your path strategically. Breaking onto that elite path for your career begins with qualifying for the Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test, or GPAT. Qualifying for the GPAT provides admission into premier institutions like NIPER, where campus placements average 8.5 lakhs per year. It also includes a 12,400 rupee monthly stipend from the Pharmacy Council of India. The second major gateway is the Drug Inspector exam, recruited directly through the UPSC and state public service commissions. This role makes you a Group B gazetted officer. You start at 80,000 rupees a month, with lifetime government security and the authority to enforce drug safety laws across the country. Passing these exams provides an immediate elevation in your lifestyle and sets you up for long-term leadership. So why do the vast majority of hardworking students fail to pass these exams? This pyramid of failure shows a predictable three-tiered collapse. The base is wrong strategy, wasting time on low-yield topics. The middle is poor execution, reading passively without mock tests. The peak is no support system. Studying in isolation causes burnout. Raw hard work will not protect you from these traps. You need a structured ecosystem to avoid them. EsPharma Education provides that ecosystem. We use a day-wise structured study plan to move students from confusion toward a calm, exam-ready professional state. This screenshot shows our Google profile, highlighting a 4.8-star rating from over 1,500 reviews. Our result-first framework is built on proven outcomes, taking students from a 40% mock average to consistent 85% accuracy. But the biggest threat to your success is the tomorrow virus, the habit of delaying your preparation until next week. Losing 6 months of lead time can cost you a full year of career momentum. You need to make a decision today. Choose your target, the GPAT, the Drug Inspector exam, or a direct industry role, and commit to a 90-day execution plan with EsPharma's mentorship. View the pharmacy counter as a starting line for a career in global leadership or research. Take ownership of your career and start walking the path of excellence today.